Here you go, our custom SATA 5514 hub-driven enclosure. Each unit is crafted with carefully selected craftsmanship, featuring a drawer-style design. With a security lock, it provides enhanced peace of mind for data storage. This custom SATA 5514 hub-driven enclosure supports dual-free installation. Simply pull out the drawer to installation. Simply pull out the drawer to install a hard drive, making it extremely convenient. Next, let's do a live test. Insert a hard drive directly, and it is instantly recognized by the computer. It supports plug-and-play and stable hot swapping with reliable read and write speeds. It is perfect for both office storage and data backup.